What's up guys, it's Motorcyclist Diaries here. Today I ride my 2014 Honda NC700X. It will be like test ride and review of this motorcycle. It's non-ABS version. I own this motorcycle since last year. Everything is stock, nothing is upgraded on it. So I will ride it and I will tell my thoughts about this, my opinion. Mileage is 2,442 kilometers. It's like 13 or 14,000 miles. So as you see, in front of us is straight road. It's a little bit uphill. I will test here top speed of this motorcycle, what he is able to do on this road. It's like 1 kilometer of straight road. I did like 155 kilometers. This is uphill and it was not, this road was not long enough to push till the limit this motorcycle. We all know that this motorcycle was not made for speed. It's mainly for touring and for commuting purposes. This version is X version. It's different from the S model. S model is like street model. This is more off-road, but it is not appropriate motorcycle for off-road too, because it has got 17-inch wheels front and rear wheel. At least you need 19 front wheel, 19-inch front wheel, and 21-inch wheel is better and for off-road. This is, you can do on this motorcycle like light off-road, but nothing serious. This motorcycle is also heavy. Car weight, wet weight is 218 kilograms. But actually you don't feel that it's too heavy because of the engine. And engine on this model is mounted like horizontally, almost horizontally. Because of this, it has low center of gravity. Because of this, you feel like it's 205 kilograms. Because I own another motorcycle too. It's 2011 BMW F800ST, and this F800ST is 209 kilogram. It's wet weight also, and I feel like this motorcycle is even lighter than BMW. So what I like about this motorcycle, if you know, this motorcycle has baggage from here, but this is luggage space. You can carry 5 kilograms with this. It's very useful. I use it almost every day. I keep their motorcycle gloves, I keep their lubricants for chain, I keep their other stuff. You can carry food or water or what else. So I love about this motorcycle engine. A lot of people does not like, but I like. It is torque engine. It has only 6,000 RPM range. You feel immediate torque. See, check it. I push. Motorcycle is when you twist throttle, you feel immediate torque. It was second gear. Right now I ride, my speed is 50 kilometers per hour, and I'm on third gear, 3000 RPM. I twist throttle and motorcycle is accelerating immediately. I like this. I like this. Torque engine is very useful for everyday use. See, it's second gear. A lot of people say that this motorcycle has no character, but I don't agree with them. This motorcycle has its own character. It's not sporty character, it's torquey, it's low revving. I like this motorcycle for what it's made. It's made for touring, it's made for everyday use, it's made for touring. I did on this motorcycle 300 kilometers one day tour, and without no problem. Ergonomics is very good. You sit very good. My height is 186 centimeter. It's 6.1 inch, if I am not wrong, and it fits me perfectly. I love the ergonomics of this motorcycle. What else? Display, you see, it's nothing fancy. It's not bad. It's not good, but not bad. Also, you have speed. It has gear indicator. I like this feature. You have fuel tank gauge, and you have time, and you have also mileage, and you have tripometers and fuel consumption. It's average fuel consumption 3.3 liter per 100 kilometers. This motorcycle is very fuel efficient. Most time I ride it in the city, and it's city and urban, and my average fuel consumption is 3.7 liters. It's very good. Also, this motorcycle is reliable. I had zero issue with this motorcycle since I own that one. So that's almost all. I will make another more detailed review about this motorcycle. So, little off-road with 17-inch build. It's alloy wheels, but it's good for light off-road like this. There is no asphalt road, but it feels good on this. Ground clearance is 167 millimeters. It's good for that stuff, like for for that kind of road, but not for very real off-road roads. So you can do some adventures